So as I've said guys, you know na it's already creamed. It's when, so you can see, jiggly. It's actually called Burnt Basque Cheesecake because
I have also Nestle cream, all-purpose Nestle cream.
Whoops, sige
And
na,
this,
Bobby.
and then
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni, and for today's video, we're gonna be making Burnt Basque Cheesecake. This cheesecake guys is the same as your usual cheesecake, but the only difference is that it doesn't have a crust. Crispiness guys, makuha na nato siya sa burnt na part or in the top. And then this cheesecake guys also needs a higher temperature when you bake it. So you need to preheat your ovens to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or in 200 degrees Celsius. Unlike your usual cheesecake guys na you need to steam bake it and use a bain-marie, but this one guys, dili na ta magamit. So let's start. In our bowl guys, we will add in our room temperature cream cheese, okay? Again guys, all the measurements of the ingredients, I will just put it in the description box below, so i-check na lang ninyo, okay? So room temperature cream cheese atong gamit guys is para mas dali siya mo cream. In this guys, we will use a paddle attachment, okay? High speed guys. As I've said guys, you know na it's already creamed. It's when the butter or the cream cheese sticks to the sides of the bowl. So like this one guys, I'll just show you. So see? When it's creamed guys, we will slowly add in our sugar. And then we will add in our eggs. Pag-add sa egg guys, hinay-hinay lang siya one at a time, okay? And then our all-purpose cream. And also guys, we will add in our vanilla extract. So half teaspoon. So guys, you just have to make sure that the sides are all incorporated. So sometimes man good na yung mga cream cheese na mag-stick sa side. So ato lang na siyang i-scrape off, okay? Medium speed lang siya guys, okay? Para hindi siya mutalsik o ayo. And then when it's incorporated guys, we will add in our all-purpose flour and our salt. So that's it. Now guys, when it's all incorporated, I've already prepared an 8-inch round pan. So ako siyang i-grease and then I put ko parchment paper, okay? And then in parchment paper guys, mas maayo siya if 2 inches, labaw siya og 2 inches para pag makuha din nato siya later, okay? So in here, we'll add in our cheesecake. Guys, this cheesecake is really very easy. So even if you're just a new baker, a newbie in baking, so okay na jud kayo guys. You can make this one at home, try it out. Because eager ninyo i-mix all the ingredients up and that's just it. Load it in your oven. Our cheesecake is now ready guys, and we will load this one in our oven.
One hour later.
Just check our cheesecake, okay? So see, I think this is okay na. It's burnt in the top and as you can see, jiggly. So that's what we're looking for. So we'll just get this one out.
Eventually.
It's already been 2 hours guys, and as they say, patience is a virtue. And now guys, we've waited for 2 hours and I can't wait not to taste this one. So we're gonna unmold this one out, okay? So we'll just get this one and place it there. And here, we'll get the knife guys and slice it up. And then we'll place it in our plate. So just a little trivia day, guys. So here, your Burnt Basque Cheesecake. Just a little trivia day, guys, before we're gonna taste this one. It's actually called Burnt Basque Cheesecake because literally, yes, it's burnt. And then it actually came from the Basque region in Spain. So dito siya nag-originate. So that's why it's called Basque Cheesecake. Okay. So now, guys, we're gonna try this one. So very yummy, guys. It's the same taste as the usual cheesecake. The custard feels, and then very creamy, and also the top is caramel. Marshmallow caramel of taste, guys, but definitely must na inyong i-try. Okay. So, very easy lang pag-bake, guys, even newbies. So, you can try this one out, okay? So, thank you for watching till the very end of this video, guys. I hope na you enjoyed. And please do hit the like and subscribe buttons. And see you on my next video.